Welcome to the new segment of the grade 9th. Today we are going to discuss second chapter of geography, that is physical features of India. So today we are going to discuss questions from a test book. The first question is, that is MCQs, multiple choice questions. A land mass bounded by a sea on three sides is referred to as. You can get these questions in NCERT textbook, page number 15. So options are: first coast, B island, C peninsula, D none of the above. So answer is C peninsula. The second question is, the mountain ranges in the eastern part of India, the forming its boundary with Myanmar, are collectively called A. Himachal, B. Uttarakhand, C. Purvanchal, D. none of the above. So answer is C. Uttaranchal. C. Purvanchal. Now third question is, the western coastal strip, the south of Goa, is referred to as. Yes. So our options are A. Coromandel, B. Kannada, C. Konkan coast, D. Northern Creek. Yes. So answer is B. Kannad. Now fourth, the highest peak in the Eastern Ghats is. First A. Anai Mudi, B. Kanchanajunga, C. Mahendragiri, D. Khasi. So answer is C. Mahendragiri. Next we'll go for to the question answers. That is, answer the following question briefly. First question is, in page number 15 you will get these questions. What are tectonic plates? What are the tectonic plates? Tectonic plates means first layer of the crust. Yes. So large fragments of the earth crust thrown due to the rising currents are called tectonic plates. Second question is, which continents of today were part of the Gondwana land? Answer is South America, South Africa, part of Asia, that is India, Arabia, Malaya, Australia, Antarctica continents were part of the Gondwana land. Now we'll go for to the third question. Third question is, what is Bahabar? Not Babara, Bahabar. So answer is, the Bahabar is that narrow belt of the plain which is covered with pebbles and lines along the foothills of the Shivaliks from the Indus to the Testa. Fourth question, name the three major divisions of the Himalayas from north to south. So we have to name the major three divisions, which those are. Answer is the great or the inner Himalayas or the Himadri. The second one, the middle Himalayas or the Himachal. Third one, the outer Himalayas or a Shivaliks. Now, fifth question is which plateau lies between the Aravalli and the Vindhyas ranges? Yes. So which it is? Where is it? It is a Malwa plateau in between the Aravallis and Vindhya ranges. And in that, sixth question, name the island group of India having coral origin. So which they are? That is a Lakshadweep island is the island group of India having a coral origin. So for the reference, you can refer 9th grade textbook. Thank you.